Hey guys, it's Bismoto out on the CT70 clone, Ice Bear Champion. I did some work to it, got the new carburetor on, and did some other things. They might not like this too much. Uh-oh. Bad shortcut. Yeah, I probably should be getting out of here. Yeah, guys, I did a headlight mod. You can look it up on YouTube. Just look up Ice Bear Champion headlight, and you guys should be able to find the video. And I also did, like I said, the carburetor mod, or well, switched out the carburetor. I'll stop up here and show you guys. See, I put that carburetor on I showed you guys in the previous video, and it works okay. It's this flat side carburetor, works good. Seems like it has a little bit more pull than the other one did. And I also installed this LED headlight. I can turn it on real quick. See, you can see that. And yeah, that's about it. Carrying a can of gas with me because this thing doesn't go very far on a gallon of gas. So, but yeah, bike's been good to me so far. Like I said, I ran into a little bit of problems, but I think I got them all taken care of now. The stock headlight, every time I drive it would go out on me, so I didn't want to drive it until I got that fixed, because Wisconsin will give you tickets for that for sure. And I also installed a speedometer. I don't know if I showed you guys this yet. Installed an LED speedometer. So that's nice. It actually has miles per hour where I could see it. Unlike the other one where the miles per hour were really tiny, so I never knew how fast I was going because I couldn't see that good. But yeah. I'm using my new GoPro Hero 4 today, so we'll see how that works out. I did a test video of just not riding, just walking around, and the video looked really good, so we'll see. With all those fires in California going on, it's supposed to be a nice sunny day today, but boy, it really looks hazy. Really hazy outside. So funny, guys. Every single time I have my camera off, it's like somebody cuts me off or tries to run me off the road. I need to really like leave my camera on all the time, I guess. Wow, that's weird. Plane looks like he's nose diving on down. What the hell is up with that? Wow. He is like really going down fast, it looks like. There's not an airport over there, so that's kind of concerning. Don't see him anymore. Don't know where he went. We have a guy around here who flies around the plane, and he does like little stunts every once in a while. I only seen him a couple times. I haven't seen him lately though. One thing about this little CT70 clone though is the wheelbase is so short, makes the bike really, really twitchy. So any little move you make makes you go all over the place, especially at the higher speeds. There's this guy out here always cooks brats out here, and every time I'm out here riding I always don't have cash on me, so I can't buy it. The bad thing about having bank cards and debit cards and stuff is basically that right there. Yeah, see, here's the guy who sells the brats every day, just about. Pretty good. I wish you would make like Italian sausages and burgers or something. That would be even better. This little bike's been a blast so far. I mean, I really don't have that many miles on it because, like I said, I had some issues with it for the longest time. I had a carburetor issue. I had, oh geez, so much work going on the roads around here. You never know which way to go. Hey, should I weave between the cones? That would be fun. Here. Well, apparently kids around here must be back in school because we have school buses, which is kind of surprising. I thought for sure for around here they would have called off school with all the supposed coronavirus cases we're having. I don't know. I don't know if we're having a lot around here locally, but supposedly Wisconsin has a lot of them, so don't know. But yeah, guys, if you guys want a review on this bike, basically all I can really say is it's a good bike for the money. It's probably a lot more dependable build-wise than like the Vader or anything like that, just because there's nothing to it really. It's just basically a frame with forks and a swing arm. No body panels or nothing, so you don't have to worry about body panels breaking and stuff like that. So far I didn't have to replace any wheel bearings like I did on the Vader. I had to replace them a couple times, but now I'm not, you know, this one I haven't had any issues yet, but I don't have a lot of miles on it yet. Everything seems to work well. Like I said, when you get it, you should probably go through the wire harness and like tape all the connections, like where they butt together, because there's like a lot of butt connections, and I would tape them together that way, because the frame is metal, and if they come apart, it's going to short out. And if you don't happen to have a fuse, and if you can't fix it right there while you're out, you're obviously not going to be able to get home if your bike is shorting out on you. So something I would recommend. That's what I did to mine, because all my butt connectors were disconnecting, and the protective rubber pieces they got on it kept sliding down. So just a bit of what would you call that, preventative maintenance, I guess. Yeah, guys, it's a good dependable bike. Like I said, just because the wheelbase is a little short makes the bike really, really twitchy. I can imagine doing wheelies on this would be very easy if you knew how to do them. I wouldn't mind learning how to do them, but I really don't want to wreck my bikes in the process, so... Guys, I was thinking about maybe getting some t-shirts made or something, or I don't know, if you guys would be interested in buying t-shirts or something, let me know. I'll start up I don't know, from Teespring or something, maybe do some t-shirts and whatever else you could sell on that site, I guess. If you guys would be interested. If not, no big deal. Well, guys, all I can say is I'm glad to have this bike running again, and I'm glad I don't have the stupid headlight issue anymore. So now I can actually get out and enjoy this thing a lot more than I have been. I would like to take it to work tonight, but I'm too afraid somebody's going to steal it, so I'll probably just leave it home. Bikes are just way too easy to just pick up and throw in the car. Grommy Bear had his and his girlfriend's bike stolen, and yeah, at my work it would just be too easy. I mean, we have cameras everywhere, but like you've seen in his video, people don't really seem to care about that too much. Nowadays, cops are busy doing other things. They're not worried. They're probably not going to be too worried about a motorcycle missing. There's so much crap going on nowadays. Some people are like chain it to a pole, do this or that, but all you need is a set of bolt cutters and your bike is still gone within a minute or two. That's all it takes, is a minute or two. got all these dump trucks that drive around here. None of them put their covers on. I was driving out here today when I was going to Burlington, where I just was riding at, and one went past me the opposite way and threw a shitload of gravel on me, and it hurt, man. It felt like one of them got stuck in my leg. It's like, what the hell? They don't care, though. That's the one thing I wish the cops would enforce, is those stupid dump trucks. They need to put the covers over the load they're carrying, because that shit flies out all the time. Then you get broken windshields, and you know, like us bikers getting pelted by rocks. That's no fun. But anyways, guys, I'm almost home, so I'm gonna cut it here. Like, subscribe. I hope the video looks better with this camera. We'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye.